Let's have a look at our forms integration with Gravity Forms, but this time we will directly embed our contact form into our static website. For the purpose of this tutorial, I created a new contact form called Contact Form 4. Before we step into the form connection, quickly edit the contact form, click on Embed, and copy the shortcode, as we will need it in a couple of seconds. Now switch back to Simply Static, Forms, and create a new form connection. We call it Contact Form 4. This time we're using online web hosting, embedded form. We choose Gravity Forms as our form plugin. And as you can see, for embedding a form, you need to pass in the shortcode from Gravity Forms. That's why we copied it in the first place. Now all we need to do is adding the form ID. As you can see, the ID is already mentioned here, so all we need to do is add gform_2. You can also add custom CSS here if you want to modify styles specifically for the embedded version, but we'll leave it empty for now. Let's publish the connection. Now that we have saved our form connection, we can switch to Simply Static, Generate, and generate our static site. Our static export is finished now, so now we can switch to our static website and visit our new contact page. To confirm that the embedded version is up and running, you can use the inspector controls and take a look at the embedded form. As you can see, this is now embedded as an iframe. We can fill out the details and click the submit button. We submitted our form now. So now switch back to the admin area of your WordPress installation. Go to Forms, Entries, and select the contact form. In our case, that's Contact Form 4. As you can see, we got a new submission right here. If we inspect it, we can see that it contains all the details we filled out when submitting our form from our static website, and the data is automatically transferred to your WordPress website. It also performed all the necessary actions connected to your form, like sending the email confirmation, sending the admin notification, so you can use Gravity Forms as you're used to on your static website.